Hi guys, it's Stephanie Grams, stephaniegrams.com, and here I'm just working on a memory bear with a button down front. And instead of cutting two separate pattern pieces, I conjoined my pattern pieces and I am using my red chalk to outline it. This way your memory bears don't have to be sewn down the middle. So I do offer some extra tips on memory bear business, how to start your business, grow your business, cutting patterns, finding good deals on resources, all kinds of good things. So if you're interested, please visit the link below, and you can even request to join my free Facebook group. Again, if you type in how to start a memorybearbusiness.com, you will be linked directly to my ebook, and it is still on sale for the remainder of 2020, and it will increase with price in 2021. So if this is something you're interested in, or know somebody else that can sew and maybe they're looking to start their own business, this would make a great instant downloadable gift for them. I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Bye.